Sakshi and welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is going to be about the most affordable makeup products you can get if you're a beginner. Now obviously if you're a beginner, you wouldn't want to just jump onto the high-end makeup products. You would want to start with the products that are affordable rate. So I have tried to jot down all of the makeup products that beginners can use and which are on the affordable range. Without any further ado, let's do this. So I'm gonna start off with the primer because primer is something very important before applying makeup onto your face. It will make the makeup last all day long. Plus there will be like a protection shield layer across your face and it won't have the makeup directly in contact with your skin. I'm assuming by now all the makeup junkies might know that the Nivea Men Cooling Aftershave Balm is supposed to be the best primer for makeup because this has glycerin in it and glycerin makes your makeup last for really long. So yeah, this is a very good option for the beginners to use as a primer. Another option is aloe vera gel, which is my personal favorite. I really like this. It hydrates my skin as well as works as a primer. Third one is the LA Pro Prep HD Definition Smoothing Face Primer. This primer is also really good if you're a beginner. I've used this and it comes in a pretty affordable range. So yeah, this is also a good primer. Now let's move on to foundations. So of course if you are a beginner in makeup, I'm guessing you would want to start with BB cream. And BB cream is something which is way lighter than foundation. You can use it on an everyday basis. So my personal favorite BB cream is the Garnier BB cream, which is daily all-in-one moisturizer. So I think this is a great BB cream. And in foundation, if you're a beginner, the most affordable and the best foundation is the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is great. If you're a beginner, just buy this. And it's been years this has launched, but somehow I still really like this. This is the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. Moving on to compact powders, I really like the Faces Compact Powder, the Beauty Compact Natural 2 Powder. Now this compact powder gives a pretty decent coverage. It comes with a touch-up sponge which has the Faces logo in it. As you all can see, I've used it and I really like this as well. Another one is Maybelline New York Super Fresh 12-Hour Whitening Freshness Compact Powder. So you can see I've used this as well. So in the compact section, I really like this. My favorite Makeup Revolution London Protection Professional Palette. This is how it looks. It comes with 3 concealers, a compact, a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter. This will be a huge money saver as well. They have 4 shades in this according to your skin tones, so you all can go and match the one which is closest to your skin tone. For concealer, I really like the Fit Me concealer. This has some great coverage. The quantity in this is great. I've been using this since a really long time and it still has a lot left in it, so this won't be a disappointment. Moving on to the bronzer, LA Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I use the darker tone concealer and I use this to bronze my face and it gives a great finish, which I lately discovered using a Miss Claire eyeshadow. Now this is a brown shade. This is very close to the bronzing shade right here. Using this eyeshadow as a bronzer, gives some great finish. Claire matte eyeshadow in the shade 0215 and this works great as a bronzer. Moving on to the lipsticks. Matte Me lipsticks, they are super matte, last a pretty decent duration of time. So I like the Matte Me lipsticks. Miss Claire lipsticks are a great deal as well. If you also give a good coverage and they last for a decent amount of time. And also the Maybelline Color Show lipsticks come in the very affordable range if you're looking for lipsticks.
And I really like the Calabar Take Me As I Am collection as well. Now this is slightly in the higher range, but what I really like about this, the quantity of this lipstick is so great that you can see my lipstick is so short and still it's lasting long and it's been more than a year, and it comes with this free sharpener as well.
Moving on to the eyeshadows, the Miss Claire eyeshadow, or if you are looking for a set in New York Nudes eyeshadow palette, it comes with all the shades which are perfect for everyday look as well, and you can also create a party look with this eyeshadow. And I believe that every girl requires a colorful eyeshadow palette in her makeup collection. LA Girl Neon's eyeshadow palette, and it comes with some beautiful colors right here. The quality of this product, the pigmentation is not disappointing. Talking about blushes, Maybelline New York Cheeky Girl Blush. This is great, comes in the affordable range, and I am using the shade right here. This is how it looks, and it's great. And this comes in the most affordable blush. I used this blush actually in my video where I did a challenge on makeup products under ₹100, and this is the blush I used. And if you all watch that video, you all will see how pigmented this is, and this is somewhere around just ₹70 or something, this blush. Moving on to mascaras. For everyday use, I really like the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. Another one I like is the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. Now, if you hurry up with this mascara, there are chances this will get all over the place. So if you're someone who's patient with your mascara, only then buy this one. For liner, I personally like the Maybelline New York Gel Eyeliner. I find this better, even better than the MAC Studio Finish Gel Liner. If I compare those two, this is better, and plus this is way cheaper than the MAC liner. So yeah, for my brows, I like the Miss Claire brown shade pencil. It works decent. It comes with a comb on this side, so for you to shape your eyebrows. Oh yeah, I like this one. For the kajal, I like the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm not that much of a kajal person, but whenever I apply one, this is the one I go for. So those were my makeup products I personally would like to go for if I was a beginner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you all want to keep updated to more such videos. And see you all until next time. Bye.